It's old news that TikTok has really blown up since the pandemic started. But did you know that Instagram is also competing for that spot? What is going on, guys? Today we got a brand new video. I'm going to show you how to film like those viral content creators that you watch every day on Instagram Reels or TikTok. I'm going to show you how to film a video just like them. That being said, watch this example. That was a short Instagram reel that I did for work. Turned out pretty good, nice moody edits. We are going to be taking out my pride and joy to shoot this video with. You guys don't need anything pretty. Shoot with a stock Miata, or you could shoot with my beater, and you probably get almost the same result. It all comes down to how you film it. It is incredible how, for me being a YouTuber, I always used to use Instagram on the back end as like extra content for you guys to see, kind of like the photography side and YouTube my video side. Except I never took Instagram seriously, and I was at this point last year and the past couple years honestly where I just saw no growth, and then I started doing the Reels and just substantial growth out of nowhere. And it's like, this is crazy. For all the time that I've invested in YouTube, I've never seen that much growth but come out of Instagram. And I think that comes from the addictiveness of short films. Short films, you just keep scrolling. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but have you ever been on Instagram looking through like your photos, like your feed, right? Your memes and stuff like that. And then all of a sudden, like an hour later, you realize you've been on Reels for like the past hour. And somehow you got there. And with that being said, that's almost like guaranteed viral filming. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys the process of how we're gonna do a video just like the one that I showed you at the beginning, and hopefully get up there on the viral. So something that's really neat about doing this is you can also post a TikTok, so you can like multi-post. I do that with TikTok and Instagram. Some people don't have Instagram, or maybe you want people from TikTok to come to your Instagram. Either way, you can post this to both platforms and it will fit perfectly. The most important thing is getting your audio. Know your audio before you do a film. If you're scrolling on Instagram, make sure you save your audio too, because if you don't, you might not find it ever again. And that's the tricky thing about that, is that you want to use that audio, because if you use that specific audio, that'll send your video higher. So for this project that we're doing today, we are going to be using this audio. Don't lie, feel your eyes, they're loving me. Don't be shy, take control of me. Number two, once you found your audio, make sure that your car is clean. And like I said, it doesn't have to be a beautiful car. I was about to do this with my rusty beater, but the thing is about Instagram, Reels, and TikTok is that you can make rust look good and people will like it for some reason. What I'm saying, this sits in here, this is clean, we're gonna be using this. With those two first steps done, I need to go ahead and jump this. Step number 3 is finding your spot. Big on planning, because you don't always need a good spot. For example, I could film in here and it wouldn't make a difference. Okay, she is ready to go. Finishing off step 3 or whatever this is, head to your spot with said car. Oh yeah. We are gonna post up right here. So step number 4, turn on anything that's cool. So headlight, all that stuff, underglow, of course. I'm going to be filming this with a gimbal and a DSLR. You guys can do all of this on your phone as well. You guys will get similar result, this specific reel that we are going to be going after. As for camera setting goes, I'm going to shoot this in 60 FPS because I know I'm going to be using some slow-mo, shutter speed at 125, and ISO as low as you can go. What I want to do here is I'm going to be shooting in vertical, boom, portrait mode. You guys want to listen to your audio a few times. What I'm going to do is come down from the sky and then bring it down until the first beat, and then we're going to cut to another transition, and then we're going to transition to something else, and then transition to something else. We're going to do 3 different shots to go with that specific song. I'm going to start from the sky because it's going to be a transition, and then we're going to come down and pretty much slow-mo that, right? But what I want to do is I kind of want to back up, so issues with this first shot for some reason. Here we go. Make it the final one. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so for this long sweep, I want to get the side of the car. I'm gonna go ahead, grab right here. I want to emphasis on the wrap. I'm gonna pan and then I'm gonna kind of rotate with it. Oh, okay, hopefully that was good. That one hurt a little. And then the final shot I want to get is going to be of the headlights, of course. RGBs are already on, and I think I might be able to, here we go, I got the corner strip as well. Take all those reflections out, make that look mean, let it focus, position up, and then go ahead. I think we should be good on filming that. It's really the angles you guys want to do. You guys don't have to do what I do, but we are focusing on the details. So the wrap and the headlight. And there you guys have it. Like I said, it's really straightforward. The edit I'm going for and the whole kind of film thing, the whole point of that was kind of like moody and just slow vibes. And that's why I only took 3 shots, only 3 beats that I can clip at. So, and even then, if there are beats, you can still do a single shot, unlike the one that I showed you at the beginning with that Mazda CX-5. That's something I'm gonna try and kind of challenge myself, is to do these edits besides the Reels thing. Every YouTube video that I do is kind of stick them in somewhere just because they're really fun to film with. And without further ado, since we've completed all that, let's take a look at the final result.
Don't lie, feel your eyes, they're loving me. Don't be shy, take control of me.
And with that being said, thank you so much for watching today's video. The thing when it comes to Instagram Reels is that there's so many different kinds of automotive Reels that you can make. Today we went with a slow, moody reel, TikTok, whatever you want to call it, whatever you're filming for. And so that's why, like, for example, we can get into fast beat stuff where we pan the camera around for smooth movement. And that stuff always catches attention, is smooth movement, stuff that glides very nice and catches very nice, but went for something moody, something chill, something that you're gonna watch over again. And hopefully it turned out. I haven't seen it yet, obviously, because I'm filming this still. So anyways, guys, if you guys have any questions or comments, put them down in the comments below. Other than that, guys, thank you so much. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to the channel. Keep it real. I will see y'all in the next one.